Orchard Hotel, Singapore. Maganda ba yung room dito? Let's go! I-tour ko kayo. Thanks to our company FWD for this sponsored trip. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Singapore Orchard Hotel for overnight kasi tomorrow is mag-Asian cruise kami. So, we're going to Penang, Malaysia and Phuket, Thailand, then go back here in Singapore. Samahan niyo ako dito sa aming travel. Let's go! And i-tour ko kayo dito sa Orchard Hotel, Singapore. Pagpasok mo sa room namin, ayan, bubunga ng isang hallway wherein nandito yung mga luggage namin. And andyan ang asawa ko.
Hindi makahiga.
Hindi makahiga. So, etong mirror na to, ito yung pintuan ng toilet. And nandito na rin yung shower. Wow, ang ganda! So puti! Ang puti. Gusto ko yung ganito. White na white. Elegant. Ganda ng design. I like the toilet. Oh. Alright, so merong mga towels, may soap, ayan, may mga shampoo and conditioner there. Towels are here. Then let's go outside. Then dito naman, oh, it's a closet. Wow, ganda. Ang laki. With hangers and iron. May iron board na din. Ito yung luggage or baggage rack. There's also a cabinet here. And this is the bed. So we don't know bakit twin bed yung nabigay sa amin. But that's okay. So one night lang naman kami dito. And may surprise agad si FWD sa amin. Grabe. Ang sweet. Ang cute ng bag. I love the orange bag na native. Let's see what's inside. Ayun no. Wow. Tumbler. And bag tag. Plus lanyard FWD. So, yan yung bed. So, 2 single beds. So, tigisa pa kami ng surprise na bag. Lampshade, ang ganda. So, cozy yung design niya. And ang laki ng screen pala dito, oh, ng widescreen. And there's also cold filtered water. Paano ba to? Ay, ano ba to? Nespresso? Is it an espresso? Pang water siya. So, meron ditong parang water dispenser. Merong empty pitcher. Operating guide daw. Ayan. Pour tap water into the water tank. Place a cup or glass on the drip tray. Iyan. So, ganyan siya. So, para saan nga to, honey? Coffee? Pang filter lang pala siya ng water. And then, meron ditong table and chair. Wherein, meron ding drawer. So, pwede ka dito mag-study, mag-laptop, mag-work, mag-meetings. Ayan siya. And another mirror. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng room. On this side, so, ayan yung couch or accent chair. Tingnan natin yung view natin. So, syempre, wala namang masyadong view. Bubong lang. Oh, there's a swimming pool. Ayun siya. Ayun pala. Oh, merong pool. Nandito kami sa 7th floor. And that's about it. So, this is our Orchard Hotel room tour. Maganda siya. Lalo na kasi libre. And that's all for this video. Follow and share. Hello, my name is Picha Pashal, your finance school bestie. And let's grow, glow, and travel together.